Hello and welcome back to the channel. We just crossed the 1000 subscriber mark, and it's all thanks to you. Your comments, likes, and support have been amazing, and I'm truly grateful to have such a wonderful community here. To celebrate, we've got another delicious recipe lined up. A spicy fish curry with Seeni Sambol, packed with flavor and made the traditional Sri Lankan way. Let's jump right in. Add 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add kelawalla fish. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped onions to the pan. Add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Add pandan leaves and lemongrass. Add cinnamon, cardamom and clove. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add curry leaves. Add some garoka. Add the kelawalla fish. Add a glass of water. Cook for half an hour on medium fire. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to the 6 sliced Bombay onions. Fry the onions. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil. Cook for 15 minutes on low fire. Add 5 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Add curry leaves, pandan leaves, clove, cardamom and cinnamon. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Add 5 teaspoons of moldy fish. Add 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Take care, and see you in the next video.